sometimes it's not so easy being the princess of the Fire Nation.
A princess. Maybe we could win this war after all.
Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build the Duke and Pipsqueak from Avatar The Last Airbender. Pipsqueak has a tousled black hairpiece. His head can be found on RoboForce figures. Give him a gray one connection neck bracket. Stick a clear inkwell piece on the stud. We used the torso of classic Han Solo, and we gave him yellow arms and brown hands. You will need to get him some dark blue legs, as well as yellow studs on the bottom of his feet to make him taller. For his accessory, give him a brown caveman club. The Duke will need a dark gray night helmet, a generic smile for his head, the bag he always carries with him on his back, yellow arms and hands, as well as some dark brown kid legs. Now you can connect the Duke to the inkwell piece on the back of Pipsqueak. And that concludes this week's tutorial. If you enjoyed, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button below.